Automakers usually plan for the next 10 to 15 years, but Bugatti is looking a century ahead with its 1,800 horsepower Tourbillon, designed for timeless elegance and performance. The Tourbillon features a near-fully analog gauge cluster and subtle aero components like raised front fenders and a retractable rear wing. Its new V16 engine, combined with 3 electric motors, offers both naturally aspirated power and a usable electric range. Named after the intricate watch mechanism by Abraham Louis Breguet, the Tourbillon emphasizes balance and precision. Its design draws from classic Bugatti models, featuring a low, wide stance and signature elements like the horseshoe grille and dual-color split. Advanced aerodynamics and an 8.3-liter V16 engine, co-developed with Cosworth, deliver a total output of 1,800 horsepower. The Tourbillon promises exceptional performance, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 2 seconds and a top speed of 276 miles per hour with its speed key activated. It includes an 800-volt battery for an electric range of up to 37 miles and is 150 pounds lighter than the Chiron, thanks to a new carbon composite chassis and 3D printed aluminum frames. Inside, the Tourbillon combines craftsmanship with modern connectivity, featuring a unique gauge cluster developed by Swiss watchmakers and high-quality materials. Bugatti plans to produce only 250 units of the Tourbillon, with a starting price of over $4 million, and deliveries expected in 2026.